Hi everyone. When it comes to applying for online tutoring job, the most challenging part is writing a good bio. I often get this request from my subscribers that ma'am, can you please write a bio for me? Writing a bio for each of you may not be possible for me, so I thought of coming up with a video where I'm going to tell you some tips on how to write a compelling and attractive bio. I have also included some bio samples in this video for your reference. So keep watching. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English grammar, personality development, parenting tips, online income ideas and lot more. And you are watching my channel Lot to Learn. Before I start the video, I have something very important and exciting to share with you all. Unacademy, which is well-known, well-famous brand, is offering a very reasonable package for 9th and 10th class student, especially for Maharashtra board, in just rupees 2,500. You can learn all 6 subjects in Hindi, English or Marathi language from top educators of Maharashtra. You can get 10% additional discount if you use my code, which is given in the description below. You can get live lectures here. There will be one-to-one doubt clearing sessions and you will get access to past year papers. If you want to have an idea how do they teach, you can go to their YouTube channel and subscribe their channel. The link for the YouTube channel is given in the description, or else you can download their app. Now coming back to our video. While applying for tutoring sites like StudyGate, StudyPool, you will be asked to write a bio. Bio description is the first thing that student comes across when they check your profile. So bio shouldn't be very long or very short. It should be around 350 to 500 words at the most. So basically, your bio should contain 3 things. First, your educational qualification. Second, your experience, and third, your area of specialization. That means your core strength. From this, I mean to say that instead of writing maths, you can write I am good at calculus or maybe algebra. Do not make grammatical mistakes. Do not write your hobbies or interest in your bio. Do you also write something like this in your bio or in your CV that I have done BSc with computers? It's okay to say this language or write this language when you're applying anywhere in India. But most of these tutoring sites are from US and UK. So it is always advisable not to use such kind of language. Instead, you can write something like this. I graduated from XYZ University with BA in English. Or you can write, I hold an MBA in HR from XYZ College. I graduated with BSc in computers. You can also say I obtained an MBA in English from XYZ University. Now, let me show you some bio samples. I graduated with BSc. I'm already tutoring at Chegg India. From 5 years of tutoring experience, I am most adept in chemistry. I have helped 20 students so far. When it comes to organic chemistry, you can rest assured that my explanation and answers would be easiest to understand. I have provided individual-based tutoring for students for organic and inorganic chemistry. Before I move forward, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you're watching me for the first time. Say now you're account professional, so you can write bio something like this. I am pursuing a bachelor's degree in account. Being good in my overall performance, I am confident of teaching you with my practical knowledge. Besides taking private lessons, I help small firms in maintaining bookkeeping, and have helped business owners to learn the basics of accounting. I love teaching students who are passionate to make or build a career in chartered accountancy or wants to understand accountancy from the beginning. After learning from me, students found accounting is not boring but a fun subject, and that's what has made me choose tutoring as a career. Next one is for any maths professional. So I have started accumulating experience in teaching maths since I graduated from college. I have worked with more than 100 students in my teaching career. I have a master's degree in maths. With my specialization in probability, statistics and calculus, I give step-by-step solution to each question that helps students to understand the question in very first attempt. Another one is for someone who has graduated in electronics, or you can change the subject accordingly. Okay, I have graduated in electronics. Having been in tuition industry for 3 years, I have taught over 150 students. The students have shown drastic improvement in their grades. I have started tutoring when I was pursuing an engineering degree from XYZ University. The desire of teaching that started as a side income is now full-time profession. I am fluent in English, inviting all those who are curious to learn and hungry to achieve more to connect with me. So that's it. I have many videos on my channel about online tutoring work. So next time, if you think of applying to any of these sites, you can take help of these bio samples. And also let me know how do you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching me.